All right, so you're here because you want to start an online business and possibly you want to start with affiliate marketing. Well, good on you for doing that because it's absolutely one of the easiest businesses to start. Now, disclaimer, I'm not saying that it's easy, but what I am telling you is it's one of the easiest things to start. Now, for me personally, I've done over $1.2 million in commissions with affiliate marketing. So I know firsthand that it works, and not only can it work, it can absolutely change your life, as it has mine. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to peel back the curtain. I'm going to go over this entire diagram and share with you is how do you start an online business using this awesome business model called affiliate marketing. For those of you who don't know, my name is Nathan Lucas. You're watching Freedom Influencer, where we talk about online marketing and affiliate marketing. Yes. So great to have you here. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Let's dive right in. First of all, I'm going to zoom this out so you can see the diagram. Well, it's probably too small now, but this is what we're going to be covering, the entire business model of affiliate marketing. And I want to tell you guys right now that affiliate marketing is no different than building what we would call an influencer business or building up a brand, which I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm going to give you all the keys to the kingdom here of exactly how I've built my business. And I'm going to share with you what I believe to be the best way to do it. So that way you can have success long-term, because there's a lot of different product launches. There's a lot of different, I guess you would say, launches that happen in this space that give people what we call shiny object syndrome, and it actually hurts their success, and they make less money because they don't focus long term. So I'm going to share with you guys how you can build a long-term sustainable business using affiliate marketing and the way that I've personally done it. So let's dive in, and it all starts right here by picking your niche. Now, there are some, I would say, requirements for this. Now, there are so many different niches. Yes, you can choose any of them and make money in them. However, what I believe is you should be at least interested in it, if not passionate about it. Because if you're doing something that can make money, but you don't have a passion for it, you're going to get burnt out on it. So a requirement, I would say you need to have a passion for it, or you need to at least enjoy what you're talking about. The other thing is it's got to be in demand. They need this in their life. So that's why maybe you haven't heard it, but health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the three areas in life that are always going to be high in demand, and sub-niche down, you'll probably find somewhere in those three things that you can find something that you're passionate about. As a matter of fact, I'm going to throw that on there. So it's health, wealth, all right, and relationships. Those are the three typically that you want to choose from because they're high in demand. And I would hope in one of those areas you can find something that you're passionate about. It's just the smartest way for business. Again, I'm not saying you can't go outside of these. Actually, the farther you move outside of these, you'll probably find there's less competition, but competition, it's not necessarily a bad thing because it means there's more demand for it. So I hope that makes sense. And the business model that I'm sharing with you how to do this, it doesn't matter if there's competition. So then the next thing that we want to do is identify an affiliate program or affiliate programs that you can align yourself with. So as you're growing your influence, as you're growing your business, you have something to sell. So there are other things that you can do. Now, this is outside of affiliate marketing, but you can create your own products, whether it be physical or digital. But for beginners, that's not typically what you want to do. And that's why affiliate marketing is so appealing to so many people, is because you literally can just promote other people's stuff and make money. All right. I've done it for years now, and it's been awesome. And it really is one of the easiest business models that you can get started with. So there's tons of different ways that you can do this. Just go Google affiliate programs. There's tons. Usually, in my personal opinion, it's better to do affiliate programs that are private. And there's several reasons for it, but one of them is that they'll pay you more money. Just plain and simple, they'll pay you more money. Now, the next thing we want to do is, you'll see right here, create a funnel, which would be our sales funnel. But before we get to that, I'm going to come up here and I want to share this with you, because this is all based on creating content. And there's a couple of different ways that you can do that. You can create free content, which it's going to require you to give your time to create content on the internet. Or you can create advertisements, which is still creating content, but you're running ads to build your business. So right here, if you're creating content, you can do it on YouTube, Facebook, on a blog, Pinterest, TikTok, and the list goes on. There's a lot of different platforms that you can use to create content to attract your ideal customers or customers that would be interested in the affiliate programs that you are promoting. Now, another way that you can do this is if you are already ready to, let's just say, create your own courses, you can then tie in affiliate marketing into those courses. So if you're talking about a tool, if you're talking about a website that you like, or even on free content like this, if you're referencing something that has an affiliate program, you simply mention it, whether it be inside your courses or on free content, and you can link out to it your affiliate links. Now, this is probably one of the most important things I want you guys to understand about building your business long term, because there's going to be a lot of people out there talking about hacks, launches, and different little things that will boost your business, but it's not long term. And sometimes they can be sketchy. So the way that I believe to build a long-term sustainable business with affiliate marketing and any business is to build a brand, build your authority, and build your influence. And you do that by consistently posting content that helps other people. And you can even do this through your paid advertisements to then promote or run ads to your stuff that helps people, because the whole idea is to convert people from cold, who have no idea who you are, just like when you were watching this video for the first time, you have no idea who I am, to then seeing at the end of my content, you get value from it, and then people will start to subscribe to you. People will start to follow you, and people will buy things that you recommend as an affiliate marketer. But you do this by consistently showing up. And the name of the game here is to provide value. Okay? The more people that you can help, the more you're going to build your brand, your authority, and your influence. And that's just plain and simple. And you do not have to have, some people say, well, you can't only do it with affiliate marketing. You have to create your own courses. You have to create your own programs. While I do believe that's more profitable long term, not everyone's ready to do that. That is why I love affiliate marketing. And I'm proof that no, you don't have to do that. I've made a good amount of money, which I'm so grateful for, by leveraging affiliate marketing, by leveraging other people's stuff, especially when I was working a full-time job and I used to do this part-time. That allowed me to not have to go through the headache of building out my own stuff. So it's a beautiful thing. So now that we established that, this is where we start some of the marketing stuff. And that is, you need to create a funnel. And a funnel is simply a series of pages to move people, to persuade them to make a purchase. That's all a sales funnel is. So here's how it starts. You have a capture page. This is where someone will put their name and email in. And when that happens, and by the way, you want to give something away or incentivize them, okay? You want to give them a free training, a free ebook, something to incentivize them for opting into your capture page. And then what's going to happen is you're going to start to build your email list, all right? Now, as they get added to your email list, simultaneously, and there's a couple different things here. You can actually just have this as a confirmation page and say, hey, you're going to receive an email coming from us. Please go to your email and click the confirmation page. That's called a double opt-in. But the other way that you can do this is immediately redirect them to a page that we call a bridge page. Now, what is a bridge page? Basically, between the capture page, all right, and the sales page, which is the affiliate sales page, whatever program or whatever product you're trying to sell, you simply create a page that bridges the gap. Now, what do I mean by that? Basically, people are going to be coming from your content on the internet to something that you recommend, and they're going to land here. So we're doing this for congruency. So we bridge the gap, and you can create a video. And for those of you who are super scared of video, you don't necessarily have to do a video. You can just do a picture of yourself. But I highly recommend doing video. If you're scared of video, you've got to get over that, because it's just the day and age we live in with the internet. You're going to have to start getting on video. That's the way it works for this type of a business anyways. And you simply talk about the benefits of the product. and you talk about the benefits, how it's impacted you in your life. What is your experience with the product that you're recommending? And I get it. Some of us, we're beginners. I was there at one time. If you don't have results, that's okay. Leverage other people's results with the product. Talk about what it's done for other people and how it can help them. So if you don't, that's okay. Some people say, no, you can't do that. That's imposter. You're an imposter. Not really. We all have to start somewhere. And I think that I see some other marketers that have a lot of experience like I do. They look down on people for doing that kind of stuff, but I think they forget what it's like to be a beginner. And I get it. You don't have the results. You don't have the experience like some of these other marketers. So that is why I say, yes, absolutely leverage what it's done for other people. I see nothing wrong with that. Now, I'm not saying be a used car salesman and be sleazy or say something that's not true. Simply speak the truth about other people's results. That's all you have to do. And then what happens is, remember, we captured the lead right here. We're building our email list, and then we set up an email autoresponder. Now, this is very powerful because now we're sending out emails that go out automatically. This one can be sent immediately. So we'll just say this is day 1. Then this one gets sent out on day 2. And then this would be day 3. And so we build out ahead of time an email series that talks about the product, that talks about other people's results with the product and what it can do for them. And we're linking in those emails either back to the bridge page if you want them to know, hey, this is still from this person, right? Because sometimes people forget. So I've done that plenty of times. I link back to there. Or you can link back to the sales page. And then the cool thing about building your email list is now you've built an email list and you can send them any offer that you want. So if you come across something else that you want to recommend to your email list, you simply write an email, you talk about it, and you say, check it out, and send a link in that email, send it to them, and you can broadcast as your list grows. You'll start building a list of hundreds and thousands of people. With the click of a button, you send an email, and it can go out to everybody, all right? And so it's really powerful thing, email marketing, when you do it right. So this is what it looks like to grow an affiliate marketing business, in my opinion, the right way. And it all comes down to building your authority and building your influence and your brand by consistently providing value to the marketplace. And so for those of you who are hoping that this is something that is super quick, and those don't really exist, you're going to have to put in work. Building an online business takes work. It's very rewarding. It's a very cool thing. You can literally fire your boss, work for yourself, and what they call the laptop lifestyle. It's possible, and it's absolutely true that a lot of people are doing it, but you're going to have to understand that creating content is work. Building out your funnels is work, which you don't always have to do. Once you build it, it's done. Getting better at the skill sets of all of this, your communication, becoming better on camera. If you're scared of getting on camera, I'm here to tell you, you're going to have to get over that. Unless you just want to do something like blogging. I know people who do that. They don't do video. They just simply write blogs, and they've built a 6-figure business. So I hope this was helpful to you. Affiliate marketing is so awesome. It's truly changed my life. And I encourage you guys to give it a shot. Don't even just give it a shot. I think that really when you say you try something, that's just an attempt to fail. But do it. Why not? This is where we're moving. And actually, I believe that the longer you go without building an online presence, the more, that you're going to be irrelevant. That's just the way we're moving. It's how business is moving. Everything is going from brick and mortar to click and order. Everything is moving online. All right. I appreciate you guys. This is Nathan with Freedom Influencer. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.